Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. It is the first analysis of the day here, and I would like to take a look at the Great Britain pound US dollar, because what is happening around this psychological level of 170 or 1.70 is quite something, and it is something that so this is the 170 level. Let's try to make it as pivotal as possible. Let's make it of a different color first of all, like this. Let's make it of a different color, like this. Alright, I would say that the move that started from the downside in the Great Britain pound US dollar is nothing but an impulsive move that ended here. So this to be the first impulsive move from here. So from the 165 until just shy of 170, we have the first impulsive move on the pair, and from that moment on, or from that moment of time, market is struggling in something that I would say it is just a corrective wave, but a running correction. What does it mean, a running correction? It means that the second correction should end above this moment of time, above this trend line 69.92, above this horizontal line 69.92. So what I would like to see here on in terms of Elliott waves with the Great Britain pound US dollar, or cable as it is also called, is this to be the first wave that ends here from the lows, remember, so wave 1 here, and then the second wave in a running variation of a corrective move is not even close to correct something. So the second wave will end anywhere above this line. So this line here should not represent the end of the second wave. While it can be pierced, it could not represent the end of that wave. Therefore, I would say that over lower degrees, and over lower degree it means either you'll make it of a different color, or you'll look at it you'll label it something else. So over lower degree, I would say that this is A, and this is the B wave here, and this is the C wave here as a so-called flat. So ABC. Then the market moves to the upside aggressively, and this move here, it's forming a so-called triangle here, or a pennant, as a continuation patterns with moves that are almost equal. Take a look at these moves here. These moves from here to here are almost equal, like this. Let me change the color for it. And it goes like this, so almost equal, and just like that it means that this is an X wave. So ABC, then the X wave, and then we have the second correction. But because the second correction here actually went or came and closed, let's say at least a candle, so pierced below the all-important 69.93, I would say that the second correction is definitely not done here. So this would be only a wave A, and now we should look for another B and C. Like this one looks like the second correction, most of the times it is forming a contracting triangle. I don't know if this is going to be a triangle by the length of wave A. It might be A and the B and the C and the D and the E. It might be such a thing, but because this is a flat and this goes with a three-way structure, if we go now and take these highs here, so the market, if it reverses now and takes these highs, it might be that we'll have an A and the B and the C. But what we do know is that market needs to go and break these highs, either in a B wave of a triangle or in a B wave of a flat. It doesn't really matter. Well, this is something like 170.62. We are now in 170.13. It means higher values. When you are looking for higher values and you trade binary options, then we should go and buy call options, because at the expiration date price should be bigger than the striking price according to our analysis. So let's buy call options here buy and call options with end of week for tomorrow expiration date is the recommendation that we have here on fairbinaryoptions.com with or for the Great Britain pound US dollar. End of week means tomorrow, by the time the US markets are closing, so that would be at 8 GMT, 8 p.m. GMT, the US markets are closing. That would be our expiration date for the Great Britain pound and US dollar. Thank you very much for being here. Make sure you check our website and everything what's there, and stay tuned for more analysis. Bye bye.